Welcome back to Science for Real. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and possibly something your doctor doesn't want you to know. Have you ever wondered what happens if you just stop eating for 36 hours? No food, just water. Sounds terrifying, right? But what if I told you that beyond the hunger, your body undergoes some mind-blowing changes that you probably never even imagined? In this video, we'll explore exactly what happens inside your body when you don't eat for 36 hours. What actually happens? Why does this extreme fasting technique come with unexpected health benefits? And more importantly, how do you go about doing this safely? Ready to find out? Let's get into it. 1. The biological mechanism behind fasting for 36 hours. First stage, 0, 12 hours, burning glucose and glycogen first things first. During the initial 12 hours of fasting, everything is still pretty normal. Your body is still working off the energy from your last meal, relying on glucose in the blood to power you through the day. Any excess glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles for later use. At this point, your body feels just fine. You might start feeling a bit hungry, but you're still running on what we call reserve fuel. You've got enough glycogen in your liver to keep you going, so don't worry. You're not running on empty just yet. Next phase, 12, 24 hours. Glycogen runs out, enter ketosis, but by the 12-hour mark, things begin to change. Your glycogen stores are starting to run low. The body no longer has enough glucose to keep powering you up as usual, and this is where it has to switch gears. Once the glycogen is gone, the body shifts into what's called ketosis, the process of burning fat instead of glucose. Your fat stores are broken down, and out comes ketones, molecules that act as an alternative energy source for your brain and other vital organs. That's right. Your brain now runs on ketones, and this doesn't just help you survive without food, it has a lot of benefits. People often report feeling more alert and focused during this phase, which is why fasting is sometimes used to boost mental clarity. Stage 24, 36 hours, full fat burning. Mode, by the time you hit the 24-hour mark, your body is fully dependent on burning fat for energy. Ketosis is now in full effect, and fat cells continue to be broken down to fuel both your brain and body. On top of burning fat, something even more interesting happens. Your body kicks into a process called autophagy. Autophagy is the process where your body eats old, damaged cells and recycles them to make new, healthy cells. In other words, your body is performing an internal cleanup, removing damaged components and keeping only the good stuff. 2. Detailed benefits of fasting for 36 hours, efficient weight loss, and fat burning. One of the most obvious benefits of fasting for 36 hours is, of course, weight loss. When your body switches into ketosis, it starts burning through fat stores for energy instead of glucose. But the key here isn't just any fat. Your body starts breaking down visceral fat, the dangerous fat that wraps around your internal organs. Visceral fat is linked to major health risks like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Reducing this type of fat isn't just about looking good, it's about improving your long-term health. Improved insulin sensitivity and lower risk of diabetes. Another fantastic perk of fasting for 36 hours is improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels, and when your body becomes more sensitive to it, you process blood sugar more efficiently, reducing the risk of fat storage. Better insulin sensitivity means you'll have lower blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Instead of spiking insulin levels and storing sugar as fat, your body gets a chance to reset and use that sugar efficiently. Enhanced brain function and memory improvement, ketones aren't just great for burning fat, they're also a fantastic energy source for your brain. When your body switches to ketones, your brain starts running on a cleaner, more efficient fuel. Research shows that ketones can help improve focus, boost memory, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So fasting doesn't just help you lose weight, it sharpens your mind too, triggering autophagy. Your body's self-repair mechanism, as mentioned before, one of the most fascinating benefits of fasting for 36 hours is the activation of autophagy. This is your body's way of cleaning out old cells and replacing them with newer, healthier ones. When your body no longer has to spend energy digesting food, it shifts its focus to repair and maintenance. Autophagy helps clear out damaged parts of cells, reducing signs of aging, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, and even extending your lifespan. Think of it as your body's internal recycling system. 3. The risks and considerations of fasting for 36 hours, nutrient deficiency. Of course, fasting for 36 hours isn't without its risks. One of the biggest concerns is nutrient deficiency. When you stop eating for such a long time, your body isn't getting essential vitamins and minerals it needs to function. If you don't properly reintroduce food and balance your diet after fasting, this can lead to serious health issues. Fatigue and low energy. Another common issue is fatigue. Without glucose to provide a quick energy source, many people experience exhaustion, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating. If you start feeling too drained or dizzy, it's important to stop fasting and eat something light to give your body the boost it needs to recover. Fasting isn't for everyone, and finally, fasting for 36 hours isn't for everyone. If you have underlying health conditions like diabetes, eating disorders, or if you're pregnant, fasting for such a long period might not be safe. Always consult with a doctor before trying any prolonged fasting. So what's the final takeaway? Fasting for 36 hours offers a range of benefits, from weight loss and improved brain function to triggering your body's natural self-repair mechanisms. But it's important to approach fasting with caution. Make sure you understand your body's limits and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure whether this is right for you. Lastly, it's crucial to understand that fasting isn't suitable for everyone. If you have pre-existing medical conditions like diabetes, eating disorders, or if you're pregnant, fasting for long periods could pose serious health risks. Before attempting any extended fast, always consult with a healthcare professional to make sure it's safe for your individual situation. Fasting for 36 hours offers a range of incredible benefits, from burning stubborn fat and boosting brain function to triggering your body's self-repair mechanisms through autophagy. But like any health strategy, it's important to approach fasting carefully and make sure it's right for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe to Science for Real, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. And if you've tried fasting for 36 hours, share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.